Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Whimsy 14-piece organic makeup kit for girls and teens. A real non-toxic beauty set designed for kids aged 4 to 16 that's perfect as a birthday gift or just for fun, safe playtime. This kit is all about organic, vegan, and cruelty-free goodness, so let's dive into this magical haul. First up, the packaging. It's adorable and compact with a whimsical vibe that screams gift ready. My niece is gonna flip when she sees this. Inside we've got 14 pieces starting with the lip balm. It's enriched with shea butter and jojoba oil, super hydrating and leaves a soft shine. I tried it and my lips feel amazing. Next, the lip gloss. It's non-sticky with a light pink tint. I swiped it on and it's glossy without being heavy, perfect for young lips. The eye glitter is a standout, biodegradable and safe for sensitive eyes. I dabbed some on my lids and it's sparkly and fun. Think skylit silver and angelic pink shades that pop. Then the eyeliner, a gentle formula in a cool shade like lapis blue. I drew a line and it's smooth and water washable, so no worries about cleanup. The mermaid accessories are the cutest. 2 small mermaid-shaped brushes that are soft and great for blending, plus a hairband to keep strands out of the face during application. There's also a beauty blender, bouncy and perfect for dabbing on the lip cheek tint, which gives a natural flush. It's got vitamin E and feels so gentle. This kit is a dream for parents and kids. Everything's organic, non-toxic, and washes off with water. No harsh chemicals here. It's not pro-level makeup, but for young girls exploring beauty, it's spot on, fun, safe, and affordable. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this Whimsy set or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.